Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Popey's tool will make the job of popcorn sealing removal much safer, cleaner and more efficient than conventional models. We love this tool because it solves one of the real hassles of removing popcorn ceilings: gravity. Scraping the sealing texture allows the debris to fall to your face, clothes and floor. Just attach Popey's to your shop vacuum hose and a pole to make the difficult task of removing popcorn ceilings much easier. The functionality of this tool is really simple. You basically just tuck the tail into the receiver and you tighten it up. And then you trim off the end and all is good. Now, where the beauty of these tools come in, it not only tightens that zip tie for you, it trims it flush cut, so there is nothing sharp sticking out at the end of the tie. You can handle it, it's very smooth, and this works very well. The last thing anyone needs is to injure themselves while performing a job. This kit comes with an inflatable air shim bag that is perfect for auto repair and home use. It doesn't matter whether it is installation, leveling and alignment, it is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, professionals or even mechanics. Using this tool is straightforward, and all you have to do is put it in the right place and it will raise and lower anything under 300 pounds. Few tools can match the versatility of an air hammer. This handy tool is invaluable for auto work, enabling the user to free frozen nuts, split stubborn joints, or cut off rusted old mufflers. This powerful tool uses compressed air to fire a piston, engaging a chisel tip that punctures, chips, or grinds through hard materials, ranging from stone to metal. Whether you're ripping or cross-cutting softwood, hardwood or plywood, this blade is sure to give you a nice clean cut every time. The 40 teeth are ground with a steep 20-degree bevel angle for crisp, allowing those clean rip and cross cuts. The blade Saw EDB 48 grind leaves a super smooth finish, making it the perfect blade for cutting across the grain of wood to produce chip-free cuts. Carbon is the enemy, and it quickly builds up in hard-to-clean areas. This precision-made tool gives you the power to easily demolish carbon from 12 surfaces on the bolt carrier: bolt, bolt cam pin, and firing pin. Its speed cleans all 4 major parts of the bolt carrier group: the bolt, firing pin, bolt carrier, and bolt cam pin. The swivel protects your hands from the double-ended scraping edges. With the Katimex Kati Twist 2.0, even through tightest curves, the new rod end improves the bending capabilities of the Kati. Even where the rod end and rod join, it combines a new shorter rod end with a flexible plastic sheathing. The sheathing protects the join between the rod end and the Katimex, perfect for navigating tricky corners and tight spaces. The Kati Twist 2.0 offers ultimate precision and flexibility. The Groz Lazy Tong Hand Riveter is a durable and efficient tool for installing rivets with minimal effort. This riveter is strong and made from heavy-duty steel. It also comes with a tool for tightening nose pieces. By pushing the handle forward, it then turns pull back to expand the rivet. When the rivet is squeezing up to tighten the mating surfaces, it snaps the tool neatly, leaving the rivet behind. Made from high-grade Japanese steel and a blade coated in Teflon, the reed cutter has mighty strength and is able to chew through PVC pipes quickly. With a spring-loaded handle to help easily release the blade after each cut, it features ergonomic grips to help improve user comfort and control. But the grips are intentionally spaced at 0.5-inch increments so that they can double as pipe measuring scale. Not to be mistaken with the old snake that's a bad insurance company, but the Roof Snake shingle nail puller is awesome. It helps you lift a shingle and hand drive that nail without damaging the shingles. If you do a lot of repairs, you should have it in your pouch. Shingles will break when start lifting them up, and it's a great tool to help prevent damage to shingles and very easy to use. Are you tired of struggling to read tiny numbers on traditional tape measures? Say hello to Bagel, the ultimate smart tape measure. With 3 different measuring modes, Bagel can measure just about anything, from curved surfaces to hard-to-reach areas. It also saves measurements and records voice memos, which are automatically converted to text in its mobile app. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.